let us talk regarding the devices. So on the Apple developer portal, when we want to add developer devices, there is a maximum limit. Could be like 100 iPhones, 100 iPads, or 100 MacBook Pro. And after that, we cannot use any more devices. So all the devices that need to run the app in development time need to be registered here. So let's say I'm a developer. I have one iPhone and one iPad. I need to register those devices here on the Apple developer portal. Otherwise, I will not be able to run my app on my devices. Plain and simple. Okay. Now, there is also other way to add the devices. Now, this is pretty interesting. So I will share this blog post link on the description of the video. So the way is that if we distribute the app through App Store Connect and using the TestFlight app, then Apple will automatically register those apps and register those devices, and those devices will be able to run our app. So if it is an Apple platform, then it is no issues. But if it is other than Apple platform like Firebase or Hawkeye or something like that, then we need to do some other stuff, like we need to collect the UUIDs, and then we need to add those UUIDs here on the devices. So it is kind of like pretty cumbersome thing, but this is how it works. This is how the way it has been set. So yep. Now how we can actually add the devices here. So we need to choose the platform. If it is iPhone, iPad, or something like that, we can choose it. Otherwise it's a Mac, so it's just one of two, and then the device name and the device UUID. Now finding the device UUID manually is kind of like pretty challenging sometimes, because the way get changed and you need to search on the internet, because if I say you one way, it might get changed in some upcoming years. So search on it on the internet and probably you will find a way to find the UUID, and then we need to have the device name. Now many times we actually work for the clients. Now team comes in, teams comes out. Same for the developer. Sometimes developer is here and then he actually leaves the company. So if we don't use a proper naming convention, then it becomes a very problematic thing that if this device is being used yet. So my suggestion is that we need to have a name. Let's say I am working with the team Alpha. My name is Raihan. So I gonna say this thing, right? Team Alpha Raihan's iPhone. Now if the team is dissolved, then it's very easy to remove this phone. And if team Alpha is yet functional and I am not there, then it is very easy for the next developer to remove me, because as I said, this is like limited devices and it got renewed every year. So pretty much it for the device ID. So see you soon.